new arrangements for tonight. They're a lot more straightforward, all right? What we have is Sweet Judy Blue Eyes, which is actually the very first guitar song that I learned in my first guitar class with my high school guitar teacher, Mr. O'Connor, who I'm forever grateful for because now my life is based on guitars, thanks to that man, and thanks to my dad. So Sweet Judy Blue Eyes, I arrange it so that the whole thing is going to be an island strum, all right? So that way, when we get to the trickier parts, you just keep island strumming along with me, all right? And then when we get to the do-do-do-do-do, I'm going to show you a little bit of how that works, all right? Because that's the only tricky part. When we get to that do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do, which is near the end, there it is. So I added numbers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, minor, C, C, D, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, minor, 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 C, C, D, D. G, D, G, A minor, E minor, minor, C, C, D, D. So you can just down strum all that. But if it's more comfortable, you might be able to go. As long as you follow that rhythm. But for a beginner, it's probably easier just to down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Or 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when we get to that section, you might want to try down strumming that part. And let's see how it goes. This is a brand new arrangement. I haven't done this one before, but it is a great tune, all right? And it's got some really fun little hooks in it. It's island strum one each, but the tempo is not too fast. So here we go, Sweet Judy Blue Eyes by Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young. Let's start in D. ending. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, What an epic song by Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young off their '69 record, which was a good one. It's a really fun one because you can actually just, with this arrangement, island strum through the whole thing pretty much until you get to the end. I kind of skipped some of the more trippy parts where they just sort of do nothing for a while. Because I imagine that if you were going to play that with a group, you might want to do it more straight up without having these sort of cloudy parts in the middle where not too much happens. But that is probably one of my favorite guitar strumming songs just because it's a good way to practice those chord changes.